How to fix DISM error 193 in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might encounter DISM error 193 when trying to run DISM check health command, scan health command, restore health command, or start component cleanup command. DISM error 193 indicates something corrupted in Windows image. If you are a tech savvy, then check if something is corrupted in this folder. Windows System 32 down level folder and delete the corrupted file from here. But if you are a normal user, then the only solution is clean install Windows 11. To clean install, follow the steps. Open a browser. Type download Windows 11 and press enter. Click on the link download Windows 11. From the create Windows 11 installation media section, click on download now. Click on the folder icon. Double click on media creation tool.exe. Click on yes. Getting few things ready. On this window, click on accept. Here click on next. Select ISO file and click on next. Select a location and click on save. Click on finish. Right click on the downloaded ISO and select mount. Right click on setup.exe, select open. Click on yes. Click on next. Click on accept. On ready to install window, click on install. Let the installation complete. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.